So I think that's the wrong order. Like you need to track your income, track your expenses, then you start saving. And then once you have a nest egg saved up, 3 to 6 months income saved up, then you can look into investing. But if you don't have any money saved up, I'm gonna tell you right now, as soon as you try to invest it, you're gonna be wanting that money back. This happened, that happened, I need my money back. So it's important to save. Don't skip step 3 is saving. You got to start saving. Do that sound familiar? Know anybody like that? They try to start investing first, and then some came up, life happened, and now they want their money back.
Mm-hmm.
It's not gonna work. That you know what I mean?
What do you think about the high yield saving accounts with the high interest rates that you see all over social media and the commercials for? What do you think about those?
I don't particularly like savings account. I think if you're older and you like and you don't want to take that risk and you just want to put your money somewhere and without being too risky, then maybe.
So,
But
but what when you were saying like saving an X amount of dollars, right, before you decide to
oh,
invest, right? Would you think that the high yield savings account would be a good tool to use, a good instrument to put that money in? Because the return on that, those are usually way better than like your normal savings account
yeah,
to put
yeah,
away your 3 to 6 months.
I think that's fine. But really and truly, you could just put it into a money market. You could just stick
What's
it
the
into the
difference
money.
between the money market and the high yield savings account? What's the benefit of the money market?
Well, the money market is like your brokerage account, right? So as a high end savings, it may be more, but with me, when I started out, I just used a brokerage account. That's just what I did. Like I don't think it's any wrong, but it's not like you have it sitting there for a while. You have it sitting there for a while, so you definitely need that nest egg. But if you want to do the high yield saving, I don't think it matters if that's what you want to do. Me personally, I don't care how you save it. You just need to have it when something happens because something gonna happen. Like it just. But the thing is, you need access to it right away. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
As long as you can get access to the money right away within 72 hours, I think you're fine.
Yeah. Is that
Just
possible? Is that one of the stipulations with the high yield savings account? Once it's there for a certain period, or do you still have access to it?
I'm not sure. I'm not
Okay.
sure the high yield saving. I never did a high yield saving. To be
Okay.
honest, I never. I just do the money market.